Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm very pleased to open the Witch's Bounty box for the month of June. This box has been gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. So excited! Let's see what wonderful treasure awaits me. The link is going to be, for this box, is going to be in the description below. And I should say it more often in the beginning, but please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. The lunar transition. Oh my god, so beautiful. Lunar lights. Oh my god, I love it. So pretty. Alright, let's see what we got in here. I smell like a really clean herbal scent. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Selene. Smells sweet. And we've got, I'm imagining selenite if it was a lunar box, but it looks a little bit, maybe satin spar. I don't know. We'll have to read the insert. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Cord for the amulet. Luna Regina. It smells really good. Make sure I haven't missed anything. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know. What is it gonna be? Oh my god. Oh wow. Look at that. It's beautiful. Ooh, what a statement piece. Wow. I love it. Oh my god, it's beautiful. They're always beautiful, but I just love this. In our world and throughout our practices, the telling of time directly reflects the position and the phase of the moon. The pure significance of the lunar transition directly binds us to the constant relationship between releasing and gaining, regenerating and reinventing ourselves throughout each cycle. This timetable is so sacred and significant to us as it truly marks the specific times in which we are able to draw power down into our magical practice and rituals. Although not all magical needs to relate to the lunar cycle, we rely upon her beauty and overwhelming guidance to accompany us during our manipulation of reality. The magical items in this box are follow: Rainbow Moonstone and Mother of Pearl Moon Phase Pendant. You can see the rainbow moonstone on the top right here. Beautiful. This very unique and one-of-a-kind pendant was designed and created for this very specific collection. Adorned with both rainbow moonstone and the mother of pearl, this wonderful piece contains the gentle yet powerful attributes of lunar vibrancy needed to amplify your energies during ritual or throughout your day. Found within the center of this pendant, represented as the full moon, as well as placed within the bale, you will find... Oh! The rainbow moonstone is also the full moon. Nice. Beautiful. You will find rainbow moonstone. Although moonstone in general has a variety of beneficial attributes, rainbow moonstone provides an enhanced version of these energies. Known to have the ability to bring us closer to the goddess energy, rainbow moonstone is a great bringer of divine light, enhancing any feminine energies that we may be working with at the time. Rainbow moonstone is filled with a wonderful ability to boost our vitality, allowing us to visualize clearer intentions, keeping our mind free from anxious and unwanted thoughts, in addition to providing purification and protection. Rainbow moonstone deflects all negative energies and heightens our intuition. These qualities bring us a sense of peace and harmony with the world around us and allows us the opportunity to perform our magical practice with ease and comprehension. So in the outer 6 layers of this pendant, you will find Mother of Pearl, or nacre, I don't know if I'm saying that right, which can generally be found within oysters and abalones, strongly associated with water and the sacred energy of the sea, as with the moon. Mother of Pearl brings us immense healing and soothing energies, in addition to providing clarity during times of chaos and overthinking. Mother of Pearl helps us to remain balanced and stimulates our adaptability and intuition. Allow these energies to take away any fear you may have of the future. Know that you are always in a transitionary state of being. The representation of the moon phases in which this pendant is cast represents a lunar cycle of releasing and growth, or death and rebirth. As the moon waxes, we work on gaining insight, accomplishing goals, or understanding further research we may be working on. As the moon wanes, we work to release any energies that no longer serve us. As you wear and work with this beautiful pendant, allow yourself the time to reflect and ponder. Be assured that you are on the right path as you work within the lunar transition. Wow, I absolutely love it. Selene Magical Anointing Oil. So bringing lunar light into your surrounding. It's fragrant. Use it in your full and new moon rituals and workings. It's got rose, amber, lavender, chamomile, and almond, as well as passion flower, blue lotus, echinacea, and rose herbs. It's got Lumarian quartz, and it smells nice. Luna Regina ritual incense sticks. So very cool. Lunar Brilliance spell candle. Calling down lunar energies during ritual meditation or shadow work. Rose or rough girasol quartz. Wow. To accompany you on your path, we have included a piece of rough girasol quartz. Carry this stone with you throughout your day or place on your altar to benefit from the clarifying and motivational energies. And then, of course, the Lunar Light Book of Shadows artwork. Wow. This is an amazing box. I absolutely love lunar boxes. I cannot wait to wear this. I have been kind of getting ready for Hexfest that I'm going to in the first week of August. And I've been kind of thinking like, oh, I know I definitely want to rock my Witch's Moon adornments. But I've kind of been debating which ones to wear. And this one is definitely going to be one that I wear. Absolutely, positively, definitely. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. This box is always beautiful and surprising and different, and I just enjoy it very much. I encourage you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so grateful for you guys joining me on my journeys and hanging out with me. And I hope to connect with you again soon. So have a wonderful day.